all of you. Once again welcome to my channel Magic English for Kids. Today we are now discussing about common noun and proper noun. What is common noun? Common noun is a name which is general given to a class or kind. Proper noun means a special name given to a particular noun, means a person, class or an object. Let's distinguish between these two. What is this? Common means it is general. You know it very well. जातिवाचक, हम जिसको बोलते हैं जातिवाचक. Proper noun means व्यक्तिवाचक. We are distinguishing between common general characteristics. So here I have given certain examples to classify between common noun and proper noun. What is this common noun? Country is a common noun. But the proper noun, name of the country, that is India. Again, school. School, any school. It means generalized where school where it is a common noun. DAV public school is the name of the school. It means it is proper noun. Name is given. Then man. Man means a general kind of people, or you can say generalized. We are generalizing to a particular class or kind. So here it can be any name, John, Ram or Sham. Again we are distinguishing this doctor. Doctor means the group of person who are treating the sick. They are known as doctor. Or a profession, they are practicing to serve the entire society. That treating the patients, they are known as doctor. So it may be any kind. So doctor is common noun. But Mr. Kapoor, Dr. Mr. Kapoor, that will be proper noun. Okay. It is individualizing. This doctor is very common. But any doctor you can say, but when you are telling the name of a particular doctor, that will be known as proper noun, obviously. Ocean, large water bodies, is known as ocean. So any kind of ocean, you can say any ocean. But when you are giving any name to the ocean, that will be known as proper noun. So what? The Indian Ocean, the Pacific Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean. So the name are coming under proper noun. Okay. Mountain. Mountain, a high elevated place is known as mountain. So this is mountain. The Himalaya is proper noun, whereas mountain is known as common noun. Book. Book is common noun, and War and Peace, it is the name of a book. You can say Motu Patlu books. Comic book is common noun, whereas you are giving any name to any book, that will be known as proper noun. Okay. Player. Now it is dogs. Dogs and cats, they are coming under common noun. If you give any name to your dog, Snoopy, Fido, Pluto, or these are coming under proper noun. So this is a particular name is given to a particular dog. So that will be identified by particular name. So it will be proper noun. Ogie, the cat, and Fido, Snoopy, these are the names which are given to the cats and dogs. So that will be known as proper noun. Again we are coming to player. Player means any player, but when you are giving to a particular name like Sachin Tendulkar or Rahul Dravid or Dhoni, that will be under proper noun. Like that, car. Car is a common noun. But when you are talking about Maruti car, Honda or Suzuki, or you are talking about many company names, that will come under proper noun. So it is the general rule of the proper noun and common noun. But sometimes we get confused with that whether it is common noun or proper noun. Sometimes it is quite confusing. So let's study about this confusion. Okay. So now we can come to that. Suppose you are talking about, let me rub this one, and once again I will repeat your question that ma'am, suppose I am talking about tree. What is tree? Common noun. Tree is common noun. But whenever you are going to tell about mango tree or neem tree, what will you then say? Will it be proper noun? Will it be proper noun? No. Why? You will say that mango is given, it is a name, and tree is added, so it is proper noun, mango tree. So no, it is incorrect. It is a kind or class of tree. It is a class of tree or it is a species of tree. Mango tree, neem tree, all are coming under common noun. Okay, like that if you are talking about dogs, Alsatian dog, Alsatian dog, or Pomerian dog, or you are talking about Doberman. So this is Alsatian dog. You will say, ma'am, this is Alsatian, name is given, so it is proper noun. No, it is incorrect, because it tells about a breed of a dog. So it will come under proper noun. No, it is not proper noun. It is come under common noun. So definitely we will write it down here, common noun. It is not a name of a dog. It is a kind of dog. So common noun. It is coming under common noun. So like that, whenever you are talking about fruits and vegetables, apple, orange, banana, pomegranate, they are not proper noun. They are the kind of fruits. So these are coming under common noun. So I am talking about banana. You will write what is banana. Banana is common noun. Banana, apple, fruit, pomegranate, guava, all are coming under kinds of fruits. So that is coming under common noun. Again, if you are talking about vegetables, what is vegetables? Vegetables means you are talking about brinjal, potato, tomato, cucumber. All are the name of vegetables. They are coming under common noun. They are not proper noun. You will say, ma'am, this is the name of a fruit or this is the name of a vegetable. So why it can't be proper noun? No, it is a kind of vegetable. It is a kind of vegetable. It is coming under certain species. So that will come under common noun. So like that, animals, you know it very well. Animals is common noun. But whenever you are talking about tiger, elephant, peacock, etc., so they are also coming under common noun. Why? Because they belong to particular kind or species. A tiger, elephant, peacock, giraffe, they are not the name of animals. Though they are the name of animals, but they belong to certain kind or certain species. For that reason, you will never write that tiger is a proper noun. Tiger is common noun. Always tiger, elephant and peacock, all the animal names are coming under common noun. Like that, whenever you are talking about color, red, blue, green, they are coming under common noun. Okay, all of you clear about it? So whenever you are writing something, you should know it, whether it is a name or it is a kind of species, or you are belonging to certain kind or species or gender, or you can say you can classify into certain class. At that moment you will tell that it is a common noun. Suppose I am talking about Amrapali mango, or you can talking about the cherry mango, Beganpali mango. So ma'am, it is a name of a mango, so why can't it be proper noun? No, it is a kind of mango. It is a species of mango, so obviously it will come under common noun. But whenever I am talking about salt, food, curry, these are common noun. But when you are talking about Tata salt, Imami salt, so this is proper noun. Why? A brand name is there. Whenever a brand name is there or company name is there, at that moment it will come under proper noun. Fortune oil, Dhara oil. So oil is common noun, you know it very well. But whenever Fortune oil, Dhara oil or any types of oil, Ruchi Gold oil, so these are the name of the branded companies. So this name will definitely come under proper noun. Okay. then these are how will you identify when it comes to the brand name, but the thing is same, property is the same, but in different names they are called. So that will come under proper noun. Suppose Pepsi, Cola and Fanta, Mirinda, they are not different kinds. They are coming under particular species, that is cold drinks, soft drinks. But company name is different, Pepsi, Mirinda, Thumbs Up, so and so. So these names are coming under proper noun. So it is not different kinds. They are not different kinds or they are not different species. When they are coming into different species, you will come under common noun. But when you tell about the species is same, but they are called in different names. Brand name is something different. So at that moment you will tell about that it is proper noun. When you are taking some noodles, one is Top Ramen, one is Sunfeast, another is Maggi. So these are the company names, but the brand is same. The noodles, you are having the noodles. So this is Maggi or Top Ramen. These are the proper noun. Okay. So this way we can classify and make it clear which one is proper noun and which one is common noun. Thank you.